Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a technique to shop cost effectively while shopping in different e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Ajio, etc. All we need to do is add an extension to Chrome called BuyHutK. First, I shall be showing you how to add this extension and then I will show you how to use it to save money while shopping. In order to add this extension, first you need to open Chrome browser. Search for the term BuyHutK, BuyHatke. This will load a page containing different results. You need to click on the first link. Once you click on this link, you will be directed to the Chrome Web Store page with the BuyHutK extension. On the right hand side, you can see a button called Add to Chrome. Click on this. You can see a pop-up. Click on the Add Extension button. Now the status of this button has changed to checking and the extension is being added to your Chrome browser. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see that the installation is successful and the extension has been added to your Chrome browser. Before adding the extension to your browser, if you open sites like Amazon and Flipkart, you won't be able to see any panel on the right hand side. But once you refresh these sites, you will be able to see a new panel which is added because of the extension that we just added to Chrome. This is the extension from BuyHutK. Similarly, I'll show you the same for Amazon. You can see that the extension is added successfully. Now, I will show you how to use this extension while shopping on these sites. I have opened a product which is currently showing 680 rupees. Okay, so once the page loads, we can see that the panel on the right hand side has also opened. We have different options like price graph, watch price, coupons and settings. We will be focusing on the first two, that is the price graph and watch price option. So as the name suggests, the first one is the price graph option, which shows you the graph of the price for this particular product over the last few months or the last few days. So you can see that the lowest price for this product is 646 rupees, and they are saying that there is a chance for price drop of 48% in the next 2-3 days. So this will give you an idea whether to go ahead with the purchase of the product right now or wait for a few more days before ordering this product. The next option is the watch price option. When you click on this, we will be able to set alerts for the product. If you want any alert for a price change for the product, you need to click on this option. If you want to remove this item from the watch list, you need to click on this option. Again, if you click on the button called Start Watching for Price Drops, this will enable it and the watch price will be on. You will also have the option to set the limit for the price. That is, if you want a particular product's notification to reach when the amount has gone below a particular amount, you need to enter that value over here and save this. Otherwise, if you have not checked this option, for any price change, you will be notified. You can even enter your email ID to receive email alerts. Also, you can see a menu bar on the top. If you click on this drop down, you will be able to see the same item in different other e-commerce sites. So here you can see that the same product in Flipkart is 899 rupees. Let me just click this and show you. This will redirect you to Flipkart page for the same product, wherein the price is 899 rupees with an additional delivery charge of 130 rupees. So now you will be able to make a clear decision from where to buy the product. I will show you one more product, which is the Himalaya Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. The current price of this bottle is 201 rupees. And if you see the price, it has gone down till 22 rupees on some certain days. From this improved price comparison drop down, we can see that it is better to buy this product in Amazon itself, because the same item is available at 227 rupees in Flipkart. So with this, I'm not saying that the items are cheaper in Amazon. This is just a comparison tool with which you can decide from which site to buy. Another great feature for this extension is that it lets you apply coupons at the time of checkout. Once you add your products into the cart and reach the page where you have to make the payment, at the bottom of the page you'll be able to see the apply coupon image. So this has come as part of the extension that we added. When you click on this, it will try to apply a set of coupons that might be applicable for the products that you have checked out. If you are lucky, you might be able to save a few more bucks in this method.
The same option is available in the last page as well.
In case you do not like this extension and you want to remove it from Chrome, all you need to do is go to Chrome and again search for BuyHutK. Click on the first link and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store page containing BuyHutK. Click on the Remove from Chrome button and this extension will be removed. If you want, you can fill this survey or just leave it.
I have been using this extension for more than 1 year now, and I have found it to be very useful while doing online shopping. Do try this out and let me know if you found it useful. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this video useful, do like and subscribe our channel. Until next time, bye.